Hey, hi you guys. I'm excited to be unboxing a new tarot deck today. It's called the Guiding Light Tarot. It's a prism edition. The box is really pretty as well. It's all holographic and colorful. It's a set of 78 cards that invites you to look deep into yourself, exploring your mind and soul. Inspired by the way light casts shadows on figures and objects, and accented with color, these cards reveal the potent imagination of artist Victoria Iva. She has created an intense deck that interprets the themes of inner purity, emotional struggle, spiritual strength, and soulful growth through her own otherworldly representation for each card. With this deck, you'll be able to do powerful, personal, and professional readings. And thanks to the durability of the cardstock and very high-quality print techniques, these cards will retain their vibrant appearance through many, many readings over years and years of use. Well, I know I appreciate that portion of it. And we're going to check that cardstock out. This is distributed by the DeBry Company. They're out of Raleigh, North Carolina. The Guiding Light Tarot. Let's see, I don't know how to open this yet. Okay, it opens on the side. Here's the guidebook. It's based on the interpretation of Arthur Edward Waite, and I like that. It's modified, expanded, and edited by Philip Young, PhD. Has an introduction. That's what the Fool card looks like in the book. This is the Death card. And now we'll look at the actual cards. They're wrapped with a plastic cellophane. I think the cardstock, I can tell already it's really nice. Oh wow, these are beautiful. Look, I've always wanted some with the holographic sides and beautiful sides. Here they are, you guys. And they're a pretty thick deck here. Very beautiful. Look forward to using these. The Guiding Light Tarot, Premium Color Edition. Thanks for watching.